Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Randy Talley made a request in the comments for Air Products and Chemicals. Thank you, Randy Talley, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. Air Products and Chemicals is a Fortune 500 company within the industrial gases industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 6.6%. Earnings growth, 12.6%. Earnings estimates, 11.2%. Return on capital, 14.02%. Debt to free cash flow, 16.03 years. Share buybacks, no. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.8%. Payout ratio, 63.69%. Growth rate, 12.63%. Growth years, 39 years. That gives Air Products and Chemicals 8 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at Air Products and Chemicals for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Air Products and Chemicals is modestly undervalued. What's your thoughts on Air Products and Chemicals in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to leave a stock request in the comments. Please consider subscribing and come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.